25th September World Pharmacist Day o shalo Pharmacists United in Action for a Healthy World o kok thaino bushkango toniwi kok ti shalo Ovoinogorni Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology ni Luaiji Mumbai kasha kotor pandani bishingtui PALAIKHA 12 Pharmacist Day Pandawa manjagikha hasteni montriyokra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha tei manjakha rungno kotorni phurungnai rok tei manjakha rungsrungnai rok bo o pandani bisingtui kasha thirilai mungbo khaijakha video report Chumui TV.
I heard about this institution, and in front of me all the media people are present. So this time you have some slogan that pharmacy this year, the pharmacy united in action for a healthier world. It's a very good slogan. During our time, we never have thought of that we have or we had this kind of institution in Tripura. Today, when I entered and I visited the blood donation camp, and when I asked the students from where you have come from, they said that in different states of Northeast, mostly, they have come. So I feel very happy that during our time, we were to go outside for this kind of study, particularly G Pharma, then B Pharma, then M Pharma also have started. Dr. Chinmoy Biswas was telling me. So this is a proud moment for us that in Tripura also there is a really appreciable thing that regional institute has been set up here. I know regarding this institution, they have, in this institution there are some faculty scarcity. So in that direction, already we have directed our officials to fulfill all the backend or as per requisition of this institution, and it should be immediately fulfilled, because without teachers one cannot be totally grown up or will not be properly taught, or in future also they cannot provide their excellence in their field. In medical line, you see, previously what we thought that only doctor, but we know that only doctor cannot solve the problems of the suffering people. So doctors need nurses, so we need BSc nursing, then MSc nursing, then other allied peoples of the medical areas. So pharmacy is no way inferior to any medical faculty. So I appreciate, and I know that during our this graduation period, we entered the pharmacology department. So in that pharmacology department, we were taught how to prepare. You know, there are some marking and all. The previously, you know how to prepare the drugs and all. Now everything has been changed. So new inventions are there. So in future, the students who were getting the teaching from this institution, I'm sure they will earn the name and fame of our state. And particularly, I have been informed that about 65% of the students from outside of Tripura. It is really, I never imagined that at this amount the people will come over here. So I will not tell anything more over here because of this constant time. I have to go. You know, today we are celebrating 107th birthday of Pandit Dinadayal ji, our mentor. You know, so what he said that only bodily or physically, if you are satisfied, a man cannot be complete. So we have to be complete in intellect, in soul, in heart and mind. So in 4 areas, if you are completely upgraded or properly taught, then you will be a complete man. If you are a complete man, the society would be complete, then our country would be complete. And moreover, today is Mahalaya, and আমার ব্যক্তিগত তরফ থেকে সবাইকে my greetings to all, and with this end in view I conclude my speech. Thank you very much.